Hello friend, today we will learn how to use distinct function of Stream API. So what exactly distinct function will do? It will remove duplicates. It will remove duplicates from the list. Okay, to understand this, let's create a one list, name list. So in that, let's add names. Now you can see we have created list of some names. Okay, now we will use distinct function to remove the duplicates. For that, let's use namelist dot stream dot distinct dot collectors dot to list. Let's write system out dot println. Like this, you can see only unique elements are printed. That is Prashant and Pramod. We will see how to remove duplicate from the custom list. For that, let's create a one class, that is user. In that, create a integer id, then string name, create a setter getter. Let's create constructor. Now let's create a user list. Add 2 3 user for testing. Now let's try to remove duplicate from this list. Now run this program. To print object in the string format, we have to create toString method. Now let's run this program. Now you can see 4 usernames has printed. That's mean has not removed yet. So how to do this? For this, let's open user class, and in that class create a hash code and equals method. Generate hash code and equals method for name. We have to check duplicates by the name. That's why we have to override hash code and equals method. Instead of this auto generated code, you can use directly return name dot hash code, and here in the equals method, first convert object into the user format. And this return this dot name equal to user dot get name double equals. Let's now run this program. Now you can see duplicates are removed from the custom list. So in that way, by overriding hash code and equals method, you can remove the duplicates from the custom list. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching my video.